This is a quick video on how to fix a taillight that will not turn on. I removed the taillight unit module. When I would step on the brake pedal, the light would not turn on. This taillight unit module I installed from another used car for parts. I removed each wire that you see by pulling it off with a needle nose pliers. This is how each wire goes back on for a 2007 Honda Accord. If you like this video so far, give it a like. This is the bad taillight unit module that was bad. It is very simple to replace it, even you can do it. Do not forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights. After changing this taillight unit module, the brake lights started working properly.